Yeah, so here we are with one of the trucks that actually got back from the front line. We deployed it about a year ago. It was serving bravely, but you know the roads are not the best in the front line. So yeah, it returned back, but as you can see, you know the armor is still here. Everything is here. There are some bullet holes visible all around the car, but other than that, we sort of serviced it to prepare it back. And as you can see on the door, the armor as well as the radiator is also protected. So the if the shrapnel hits from the front, the radiator is not going to suffer, which means it can still sort of turn around, it can still last.
How many vehicles do you reckon you provide a month finished?
A month, about 18.
Wow. Wow, so that's, you know, more than 2 a day. One every 2 days.
One every 2 days. Yeah, I think we're trying to get about 4 cars per week.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's about 17, around 17 a month, 18 a month.
Wow.
Yeah, about that.
And you repair damaged vehicles that get sent back, so it's not just about getting new,
It's
new
not.
ones
It's
all
not
the time.
common. It's not common. But if they do send us, and like we know the people, and we have resources to pay for that, then yes. In general, we don't fundraise for that. It's more like an exception. I think it's a good thing to showcase the truck that actually got in, and everyone is alive. You know, and got back.
And the battalions tell you the sort of stuff they need. You're in constant communication with them.
For sure. Even that armoring. It's not something that we came up with, like, oh, let's do it because it's fun, because it's cool. We were armoring all over here at the beginning of the war, but then the car would just dive in the front and couldn't just move. There was also armor here, like to the bottom, and also didn't work. So it's a balance between not making it too heavy, but also keeping people safe inside.
So the vehicle that we provided through ATP Geopolitics to begin with had rocket launcher tubes put on the back, but it didn't have armor. Why did it not have armor for like these have had on the doors?
Yeah, like these cars, they are normal civilian cars. They're not being made for the war. They've been made to serve on the farm, but because we have a war, we started adapting things. And again, it's about the balance. If you put the rocket launchers on the back, that means you are adding like a ton on the back. And if you add 300 kilo around the car, it might be strong and cool looking, but it will stop driving the next day.
Yeah.
So you have to put as much weight on the car as the producer, as the manufacturer of the car meant it to carry.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, thank you, Ivan. Amazing job that you are doing.
Thank you,
And
Jonathan. Thank you, Jonathan.
we Silicon Curtain and ATP Geopolitics really proud to be supporting your work.
I'm glad you made it. I'm glad you made it here. I got some gifts for you.